The future looks bright. Introducing the Ultima X5000 gas monitor. When it comes to gas detection, we think differently. Featuring an all-new design with an organic LED display and bright status LEDs for extreme visibility. A revolutionary touch interface for tool-free operation. Stay connected and work smarter. Bluetooth connectivity puts real-time data in the palm of your hand. Do more with less. 2 sensor inputs reduce cost of ownership and doubles the sensing power. Sensors can be remotely mounted, mixed and matched to suit your gas detection needs. An identical mounting footprint to the Ultima X allows use of existing wiring and conduit, saving you time and money. New advanced XL sensor technology with TrueCal redefines reliability. This innovative technology compensates for environmental shift and sensor drift, extending calibration cycles up to 18 months. Let us cut your maintenance costs in half with a 3-year sensor warranty and a 5-year expected life. A revolutionary gas detector that provides peace of mind. Recalibrate your expectations. The Ultima X5000. Welcome to the future of gas detection.